Bro, where are you going?
I'm going to plant drumstick tree.
Okay.
Actually,
Okay, fine. You are so strong, bro.
I really strong will to take this wood. Yeah, yeah. Do it, Chiklama. Please.
Once you grown big, then you can do like that, okay?
Yes, sir.
Because digging is not easiest work, okay? It need more and more power.
What a big hole. But he can do it.
Bro, we change the location, okay? So please bring here.
That is really heavy.
You try by yourself to lift it. You are dragging it, bro. Yeah. Yes, lift it, bro. Show me your strength. Oh my God. That's okay. You can drag it. You can drag it. Yeah, you drag it. You drag it. Okay. What?
Why did you change the location?
Because the floor was very hard over there, so the roots will get stuck.
Okay.
That's why.
Let me go and
நீ அங்கே ஏறி அந்த இடத்துல ஏறி நிற்கும் அங்கே ஏறி அந்த தாத்தாக்கிட்ட ஏறி நின்று தாத்தாக்கிட்ட ஏறி நின்று நின்றுக்கிட்டியா நல்லா தடுத்து ஏறி நின்று அங்கே ஏறி நின்று
Don't fall other side.
விழுந்தவன முள்ள விழுந்து அப்படி
Wow, Chiku planted. Okay, put the sand inside, bro. Put the sand inside. Ah, okay. That's okay.
தள்ளு தள்ளி தள்ளு 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 அப்படி தள்ளு தள்ளு வெரி குட் முள்ளெல்லாம் இருக்கும் பார்த்து
Say again.
Huh?
Say again.
That was a hard work.
Okay, fine.